Ang ganda ng display.
Wow!
Oh, yan. Christmas tree yan. Ano, bihira lang tayo makapasok dito. So, susulitin na natin to. Yan. Wow. Nice.
Wow!
We're going out of Whistler. Wala naman ako masyadong kwento ngayon. Life as usual. Kaikot lang tayo. And siguro explore new places. Wala naman mawawala kasi isang beses lang naman natin nagagawa ito everyday or every part of our life. Kaya siguro may mga ganung place like this. Hindi naman ako destined to be here. Dito ako mag-study. Pero yun nga, regret. Bumabalik siya. What if I perform better? Pandemics. What if pagsabay ko siya? Pero there's no problem there. Life in general, it is like a book that is being written by us but is destined according to God. And syempre, part of the centuries. Okay, palabas tayo. Palabas lang tayo. Okay, yan. Ayoko nang papasokin. Ayoko lang. Eh, syempre may vlog na.
Wow!
And that is it. Our daily feed. And bye-bye!